In this video, we're going to show you how you can easily connect to the OfficeTrack mobile application with a code sent to your phone. Once you have downloaded the application, open it and you will see a login screen. Select I don't have a password. This will open a screen asking for your phone number. Provide the requested information, first selecting a country and then entering your phone number. You will then be asked to verify your phone number is correct. If entered correctly, click Yes. A code will then be sent to your phone by text. Once it has arrived, you will enter the code in the OfficeTrack application. After entering the code, you are then logged into the application. For full functionality, you should select to always allow location. Then go to Settings and click on Full Data Sync. That's it. You are now ready to start using the OfficeTrack mobile application. Thanks for choosing us.